Health problems helped by consuming lemon water each morning. A glass of warm lemon water first factor each morning before eating anything is extremely advantageous often. Fresh lemon juice is packed with antioxidants, protein, B vitamins, and C, flavonoids, phosphorus, potassium, carbohydrates and volatile oils. Fresh lemon juice offers antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-building qualities. It will help boost defense mechanisms and fight infection because of high amounts of bioflavonoids, pectin, limonene, citric acidity, magnesium, calcium, and vitamins. A glass of warm lemon water before eating anything flushes the machine, aids digestion, fights hunger cravings, promotes weight reduction and helps to create an alkaline-developing atmosphere to balance our body's pH. Suppressing of your appetite and weight reduction. The vitamins and enzymes in lemons help regulate bloodstream sugar to be able to maintain normal weight levels. Pectin fiber helps fight hunger cravings. Fresh lemon juice is another digestive aid. It encourages producing bile, that is what breaks lower food during digestion. Helps heal acne. Consuming lemon water helps metabolize the acidic temperament from the body, alleviating and stopping pimples. You may also rub the juiced lemons in your face to assist with acne. Fights off foodborne illnesses. This can be handy on a trip. Drink lemon water to prevent food poisoning. Readers endured a compressed vertebrae and also the doctors were surprised that they is at less pain than is normal. She credits consuming lemon water.